So, you're done with business mode on Instagram? No more insights, no more analytics? Just want to keep things simple and personal again? Let's switch your account back in seconds. First, open up the Instagram app and head to your profile. That's the little picture at the bottom right. Now tap those three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see account type and tools. Go ahead and tap that. Right here, you'll see an option that says Switch to Personal Account. Tap it. Confirm your choice and boom, you're back to a regular Instagram profile. No business tools, no pressure, just your posts, your people, your pace. Perfect if you're stepping away from content creation or just want to keep things more private and relaxed. If this was helpful, give it a like, tap subscribe, and stick around for more quick Instagram tips made simple.